The solar system, the Sun, is a star and is the center of our solar system. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and has no moons. Venus is the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. Earth is the only planet known to support life. Mars is called the red planet because of its rusty red soil. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Saturn has beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Uranus rotates on its side. Unlike other planets, Neptune is the windiest planet, with supersonic winds. Pluto is a dwarf planet and was discovered in 1930. Stars and galaxies, stars twinkle because of Earth's atmosphere. The Milky Way is our galaxy and contains billions of stars. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest spiral galaxy to us. Black holes are areas in space with such strong gravity that nothing can escape, not even light. Neutron stars are so dense that a teaspoon of their material would weigh billions of tons. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite. The moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth. The moon has no atmosphere, so there's no weather. The dark side of the moon is not actually dark. It gets as much sunlight as the near side. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth at about 1.5 inches per year. Space exploration. Yuri Gagarin was the first human in space in 1961. Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon in 1969. Tereshkova was the first woman in space in 1963. The International Space Station orbits Earth every 90 minutes. Astronauts on the ISS see 16 sunrises and sunsets every day. Fun facts about space. Space is completely silent because there's no air to carry sound. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year, about 5.88 trillion miles. The Hubble Space Telescope has taken some of the most amazing pictures of space. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun, mostly found in the asteroid belt. Comets are made of ice, dust, and rock, and have glowing tails when they get close to the Sun. Planets and their moons. Jupiter has 79 known moons. Saturn's moon Titan has lakes and rivers of methane. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, might have an ocean under its icy surface. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system. Olympus Mons Venus has a day longer than its year. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once. The Sun is about 4.6 billion years old. The Sun's gravity keeps all the planets in orbit. Solar flares are bursts of energy from the Sun's surface. The Sun is so big that 1 million Earths could fit inside it. The Sun will burn for about 5 billion more years. Space trivia. Space debris includes old satellites and rocket parts floating in orbit. Astronauts grow taller in space because there's no gravity pulling on their spines. Space suits are like mini spaceships, providing oxygen and protection. Space food is often freeze-dried and comes in packages. Astronauts train underwater to simulate cool space phenomena. Auroras are caused by solar particles hitting Earth's atmosphere. Meteor showers happen when Earth passes through comet debris. Supernovas are exploding stars that can outshine entire galaxies. Pulsars are spinning neutron stars that emit beams of radiation. Quasars are super bright objects powered by black holes. Space history. The space race was a competition between the US and the Soviet Union to explore space. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite, launched in 1957. Apollo 11 was the mission that landed the first humans on the Moon. Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object from Earth. SpaceX is a private company that builds rockets and spacecraft. Fun for kids. Astronauts can float in space because of microgravity. Space smells like burnt metal or steak, according to astronauts. Space toilets use suction instead of water. Astronauts can't cry in space because tears don't fall. They just stick to your face. Space ice cream is a real treat. Astronauts eat the universe. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. The universe is expanding, and galaxies are moving apart. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, but we can't see it. Dark energy is a mysterious force causing the universe to expand faster. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Space technology rockets use fuel to push themselves into space. Satellites help us with weather forecasts, GPS, and communication. Telescopes let us see faraway stars and galaxies. Rovers are robots that explore planets like Mars. Space probes are unmanned spacecraft that explore distant objects. Fun fact, space is not completely empty. It has tiny particles and radiation. Astronauts exercise 2 hours a day to stay healthy in space. Space junk is a growing problem in Earth's orbit. Space stations are like science labs in space. Astronauts can see the Great Wall of China from space, but it's not the only thing visible. Planets and their features. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm that's been raging for centuries. Saturn's rings are made of billions of pieces of ice and rock. Uranus has faint rings that are hard to see. Neptune has a dark spot, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Mars has the largest dust storms in the solar system. Space mysteries. Are we alone? Scientists are searching for life on other planets. Exoplanets are planets outside our solar system. Water on Mars suggests there might have been life there long ago. The Oort cloud is a distant region of icy objects surrounding the solar system. Wormholes are theoretical tunnels through space. Space for kids. Astronauts wear special suits called emus for space shuttles were reusable spacecraft used by NASA. The moon's gravity is 1/6 of Earth's, so you'd weigh less there. Space stations have been home to astronauts for over 20 years. Astronauts can grow plants in space. Space fun. Space tourism is becoming a reality. People can visit space for fun. Space hotels might exist in the future. Astronauts can watch movies and read books in space. Space art includes paintings and photos inspired by the cosmos. Space music has been composed using sounds from space. The future of space. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2025. Mars colonies might be possible in the next 50 years. Space elevators are a futuristic idea to reach space without rockets. Asteroid mining could provide valuable resources in the future. Space exploration inspires us to dream big and learn more about the universe.